Have you guys been watching like the little dances and stuff that Nodoka puts out? She's hiding her true power. Like she puts up videos like from Bibi Deba, for example, where she sings and dances it. Her singing is pretty cute. Wait a second. Has anybody ever invited Ichan or Nodoka in 3D for a birthday/anniversary live? I can't remember that, if that ever happened. Sora senpai! I guess, yeah, she would have invited Ichan probably. But I don't think anybody invited Nodoka before. I'm getting ideas. I mean, I kind of already have things planned out, so it wouldn't happen for the upcoming one. I can't make changes now, really. It would be funny. It's just like, I think she only has one outfit, so she couldn't be wearing like an idol outfit or so. Only has that like business outfit. I wonder if they would like be up for it, even learning a whole choreo, not just like a chorus. Would be funny. I don't know if I can promise anything, but it's in my head now. Dance struts with her? I don't think I would normally get the chance, because I don't get access to the studio unless, you know, a more than 6 months in advance planned birthday live. And then it's like really tight schedule, so not much freedom for stuff like that. Nah, making that work too.